Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM Certified 2018 Buick LaCrosse Premium Group. Stock number Z8400A. Only 2,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this LaCrosse brand new. Pepperdust Metallic in color. To be GM Certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The LaCrosse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers, advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Pull-away tab on either side allows the split seat back to fold down to accommodate longer cargo items, and removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And of course, with only 2,000 miles, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats with massage feature, along with a power tilt telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. Start. Heads-up display, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 2,000 miles. That's also where you set the forward collision alert. Leather wrap steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. 4 radio. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Dual zone automatic temperature control. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate. Heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, upcoming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this LaCrosse has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 310 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a large car. EPA average of 21 miles to the gallon and a city average of 30 on the highway. And again, only 2,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.